So we are here with the Tesla Model 3, the curved hitch on there. We didn't do any e-kit on this. And here I'm going to show you how to use this Thule bike rack that has wheels, so you can drive it around like this and very easily drive to your hitch. This one here is pulled up, and you pull up, you can flip this in. Now, right now, it was pulled up already before, so we are going into the position that we want to hook this up, right? You saw me doing this. It's locked in down here. Now we have to put this one into the receiver. For that, this screw has to be unlocked. We go in here. I do this one-handed, holding the camera. You have to find the hole. You're in there. Now you need both hands. You have to open this up and then push the whole thing in. Can I do this with one hand? Not really. Oh, yeah. Kind of. There we go. Look. The hole is over here, so we have to go all the way back. Somewhere out, it was too far. There it is in. Did you hit click? Here, the safety is in there. Now we can just tighten the hitch here. I like to jiggle it a little. The whole thing. While you do this, I wonder if I can put my camera here. There's no metal nowadays in those cars. Does this work? I'm not sure. So I jiggle on the whole hitch while I tighten to find the tightest spot. Okay, you can now lock it here. Okay, with a key if you have to. Then you cannot unscrew it, and the whole thing is safe. The side parts flip down. Okay, like that. You can push down here and flip it all over this way. That gives you access to this little compartment here, where you have a little ramp if you want to drive your bike up. The ramp unfolds like this and goes in here. I don't know if I have enough push. There it is, all in there. So we have to push this back like this. Now you have a nice ramp where you can drive your bike up if you want to. Okay, I'm going to show this to you, how this bike drives up there. Before we drive the bike up, we pull those straps out. One here, one here. We are only going with one bike today. And here's the bike. So I have to drive it over there. Let's see if I can put my camera up here. If you can see good. You basically see how I drive it up here. What way do I come in? I want to put this one in reverse here, okay? It's not that heavy though. But if you had to drive it, you could drive it up here, like this. All the way up. It's like the pedals in the way. Okay, like this. Does it make sense? I'm not sure with my pedals. You put it basically in the middle you want, right? Okay, so now I'm going to put this clamp on here. Is that good? Okay, I need the camera again. And close up, of course, so that you can see. So this clamp is loose on here. It tightens once the screw is tightened. This connection will tighten as well as the clamp. So here we screw that on tight so the bike can't move anymore. And then we secure the bike with those straps. Okay, so let's see this. Oh, my bike is not really in the hole. So we go here with the strap over to the other side. The strap goes into this clip here. Push on it, pull, and then you can tighten it like a ratchet. Okay, let's do the same on this side. You make sure that you don't hurt the spokes. So this sounds good here. So it's easier to have the wider gap here, and then don't do it where the valve is. Okay, so this goes in here, in there, and then you pull it tight someone, and now you can ratchet it in. Okay, this is fixed now. Right, check on your thing here. This is all tight. Very good. If you need to lock it now, you can. 2 locks, right? Now, don't forget your ramp. I'm gonna pull this out. There it is. Fold it up. Here, there's an arrow on there. See the arrow? Okay, we have to make room for this little compartment again by pushing there. You can flip the bike over this way. And now you can put this in here, matching those 2 arrows. Okay? When you do that, flip the bike back. Look at this. It right over there. Wonderful. Okay, so now it's all on there. On this Tesla Model 3, the hood is so short that you can still open it. So if you open now, you can see it. No, it doesn't fit with the. Doesn't fit here, right? So that is a problem. So if you want to open the hood in any car, you can get your bike out of the way, like this, and then you have your hood access here. Where's my button? Oh, it closes again. Now we open it again. So now you have space. This will happen to any car, but that's why you can flip it up like this. See? You know that? And even if you have 2 bikes on here, it's gonna work. Yeah, I have a problem here where when I close it, it's pushing. Why is that? It's supposed to be here. There. And does it push it over? No. So you have to align those 2 arrows down here to make this work good. But alright. So that's how it looks like.